Have you ever used a dual-facing dash cam or traction blocks? In this video, we will look at some coolest car gadgets you'll want to have. Links with the prices are in the description below. And please let us know in the comments what type of gadgets you like. Let's go! Number 1. Signal Booster. Over the years, car owners have experienced several moments without a cell signal. That's not something they want to remember. But this simple and useful gadget is something that anybody who often goes camping, fishing, or to places with poor signal coverage should have. It can connect to the cell towers that are the farthest away and boost the signal for more than one device. It works with the newest 5G technology and has the fastest speed and best service of any smartphone. With this device, you can be sure that your calls will be connected and your messages will be sent in a timely manner. Number 2. Lucky Shot. There are many ways to make our car look better, and one of them is with custom valve caps. This bullet-shaped custom valve cap will make your car look unique. Not only are these custom valve caps stylish, but they also help protect the core of your wheels from dirt and dust. No tools are required. The caps are compatible with most valve stem caps and will function with any vehicle that has air valve tires. Number 3. Wheel Protectors. We all hate when our shiny wheels get scratched by the sidewalk when we park, or there is some object we didn't see. But now our shining wheel is not that shiny anymore. So basically, if you have wheels that are worth protecting, you may consider these wheel protectors. The wheel protectors are designed to absorb most of the impact on the wheels. They're effective at preventing the wheels from being damaged by rocks, gravel, and other debris that can be thrown up off the road. They come in a variety of colors, so you can customize them to match your car's paint. Number 4. Tire Traction Blocks. Here is a quick, simple, and effective solution when your vehicle is stranded in all types of terrain and adverse weather conditions. The reason I prefer this to a standard car chain is its compactness. They are light and small, so they can be placed anywhere in the car. However, that is not the only advantage, because they can be quickly installed and removed with minimal effort. This makes them ideal for those who find themselves in a situation where they need to quickly install traction assisting devices. One more thing, don't forget to install them on the drive wheels. Number 5. Dual-Facing Dash Cam. If I had to choose which car gadget would be most useful for me, this one would definitely be in my top 3. It's a dash cam with dual-facing HD cameras that can record live view and two-way talk even when your car is parked and connected to Wi-Fi. You can use the Ring app on your phone to see inside and talk to anyone in your car. This car gadget is incredibly helpful in terms of security. It provides a way to keep an eye on your car when it is parked. You can monitor who enters it while you are away, and of course it's very useful while driving, because it can record the driver as well as the front of the car. Number 6. Smartphone Breathalyzer. We will never support driving when you consume alcohol. There are many cases of people driving while intoxicated. In some cases, you may have a beer or two. And what better way to see? If you are legally allowed to drive, then this mobile breath alcohol tester can measure your breath alcohol concentration, giving you an idea of whether or not you are safe to drive before you've hit the road. When you connect it to your smartphone, it will give you not only the amount of alcohol in your blood, but also an estimated time when you will get sober. But keep in mind that you should use it at least once a month, so the sensors have enough moisture. Otherwise, you will have to calibrate it if it is not used for a long time. But it doesn't mean that you need to drink alcohol. You can also test it when sober to keep the sensors moist. Number 7. Parking Mat. If your garage is big enough to park your car, then this is the perfect solution. The parking mat makes it easy and safe to park, and it keeps your car and garage from getting damaged. The anti-skid tape that comes with the mat keeps it from moving, and the reflective tape makes it easy to see. With this parking mat, you can quickly and accurately park in tight spaces without worrying about hitting walls or other obstacles. Number 8. Spoiler Kit. This is the universal LED rear spoiler kit. It's 50 inches or 127 centimeters wide. You can cycle through 15 color options. Installation is quite simple, and you can do it yourself without major issues. The LED rear spoiler kit is a great addition to your car and provides a unique, stylish look. The high-density waterproof material and waterproof level make sure that your spoiler is safe from wind, rain, and other weather conditions. Keep in mind that you cannot cut this LED, so check if it fits your vehicle before purchasing. Number 9. Radar Detector. Radar detectors are constantly evolving, and how effective one is will largely depend on your driving conditions. Driving in a city where there are frequent traffic signals, stop signs, and false alarms is much different than driving out on the open road. These long stretch of roads is where you can easily lose track of your speed or miss a speed limit sign, which can be costly. If you have ever been told by anybody that you need to slow down, then this will be a good item for you to check out and pick one up. Number 10. Car Vacuum Cleaner. Although it's suitable for far more than just a car, this handy gadget boasts up to 45 minutes of power and a powerful double filtration system. Makes for a sleek look, as well assuring you that this isn't one of those many bulky portable options. As far as we're concerned, a well-kept vehicle is a happy vehicle, and Car Vacuum does the trick. It also includes a 2-in-1 crevice tool and hose, so you can clean more efficiently in every corner and edge. Number 11. Tire Inflator. This portable tire inflator touts as the smallest and lightest in the world, and barely over 2 pounds. You can simply plug it into your cigarette lighter or USB port for direct power. It is capable of inflating all kinds of tires. It has an automatic shutdown feature, and you can preset the required pressure level. The compressor will automatically shut off at the required level. This will come in handy whether you find yourself mountain biking or stuck on the side of the road with a flat. Number 12. Mirror Dash Cam. Whether you're an Uber driver or simply prefer the high-tech version of everything, this modernized mirror dash cam is the perfect replacement for your old-school rear view. In addition to catching front and rear footage at 1080, it provides an improved view at night, thanks to its built-in Sony Starvis sensor capable of capturing anything. No matter what time you're on the road, measuring in at an impressive 12-wide wolf box guarantees that you'll have no issues backing up into any parking spot. Number 13. Echo Auto. Turn your phone into a driver-friendly display that complements your Echo Auto. Echo Auto connects to Alexa through the Alexa app on your phone and uses your existing smartphone data plan for connectivity and other features. Connects to the Alexa app on your phone and plays through your car speakers via auxiliary input or your smartphone's Bluetooth connection. It also includes a vent mount. With 8 microphones and far-field technology, Echo Auto can hear you over music and road noise. It supports voice control, so Echo Auto through the Alexa app streams from Audible, Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, and radio stations with iHeartRadio. You can use your voice to play music, check the news, make calls, and more. Number 14. Magnetic Charger. Charging your phone on the go is a necessity, but leaving it plugged in on the side can be a pain when in need of directions or a quick song change. This is where this gadget comes into play. This magnetic charger can quickly charge your devices with up to 10 watt of power. Power supply sold separately. The high-quality base and vent mount keeps your device safely in place while driving, and you can charge in landscape or portrait mode. We hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.